Hi, Unbox Nova here. Here we have from Second Sight Films, Your Next on 4K. It has Dolby Vision and the sound is Master Audio 5.1. Aspect ratio is 239. Runtime is 95 minutes. So let's open this up. Slip card. This box. We got the 120 pages book. Pictures from the film, etc. Quite extensive. Got these cards. Nothing on the back. There you go. The discs. Something behind, nothing behind. There's the 4K disc. And there is the blu-ray disc. Yes, from Second Sight Films, Your Next 4K edition. If you're into collecting physical media, please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.